Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? We are back again on a new video reaction. This is a video that I gave Biafran Liberation Army commander. He says something very interesting. I want to share it with you and tell me what you think about what he said on comment section, and comment, tell us where you are watching from, subscribe if you're new of course, and see you again. Just watch this.
Ah, a great day to great people, except the evil one known as Nigeria. Today is 1st October according to the European calendar, but it's not 1st in Biafra land calendar. For your information, we are going to change everything that the white brought to us with their evil. If you don't know this, begin to know. We do not have 12 months. We do not have 12 months that make up a year. Let me educate you before I go to my main topic. We do not have 31 or 28 or 30 like the month where ends so. September is 30. How come? Did I explain to you? Can you explain to your children? How come September is 30? You cannot explain. Now let me ask you again. February, some are 28, some is 29. How come? Can you explain this to your children? In case your children call, ask the House of Rep or senator or your governor or any learned, when I mean learned, those who have first degree, have second degree or third degree or master degree or PhD, ask them, how do we come about some month at 28 or 29? Some are 30 and some are 31st. Ask them this question. None of them can explain to you. None of them can explain to you, but it is best known to an European who brought us those rubbish. Yes, you cannot explain it to your children if they ask you. You cannot tell it to your children. If they ask you, say, Daddy, how come about February? Some February month is 28. Some February month is 29. Daddy, how come about September is 30, while others are 31st? What will you explain to your children that are everywhere? Do you think we are going to keep every European nonsense that brought to us? We are taking it back to them. So the coming of Biafra simply means reverse back to your ancient way of life, which is the original way of life. That is why they call them Ndi Igbo, the ancient people. Okay? So we are therefore, we have 4 days that make up a week. You don't know this? We call it 4 market days. It make 4 days that make up a week. 7 weeks that make up a month. Every month is equal. And that means that every month is 28. And then you now have it, whereby we have 13 months that make up a year. You have to learn. So sometimes we bring, do you think we just come into net for fun? When you see us coming to net to educate you, it is not for fun. It is so that you in person will learn and also keep records, so that when it happened, we told you, yes, you were informed. Because those that are not informed, definitely they will be deformed. Information is power. So when we bring information to you, 1, for record purposes. 2, to educate you, for educational purposes. Okay? If you fail to make use of it, your children or your children's children will make use of those information. That is why we say for future purposes. In Biafra land, we have 13 month calendar, and that have been the way it was before the European. So, and look at the way they tell you. Look at them. Let me also show you something you do not know. The Europeans say we have 7 days that make a week, abi? And then tell you that they have 4 weeks that make a month. No, look at what they copy from us. Then copy the writing from us and turn upside down. And then mix their own. If you say 7 days make a week and 4 weeks make a month, how many months, how many days is in that month? 28. And if I tell you that our first father tell you that 4 days make a week and 7 weeks make a month, how many days is inside that month? Is 28. Now ask Oyibo, how come about you say that 4 weeks make a month? We are here to open your brain, and we will open your brain by fire, by force. Ask them simple question. How come additional 2 days or 1 day or 3 days hard? Because even though now 1 day hard, it is no longer 4 weeks that make a month. It now become 5 weeks. But they will not tell you that. Their stupidity will remain in them. When Biafra come, we will straight everything. Now, happy October according to the European, because you are still using their September, their calendar. The question I want you to ask yourself this very afternoon is, look around you. Are you still smelling Nigeria? Look around you in Biafra territory, in Biafra land. Are you still smelling Nigeria? Apart from in Biafra territory, those of you in West and those of you in North, are you still smelling Nigeria? The order of Nigeria are far gone back to Britain. And when we tell you we will dismantle Nigeria piece by piece, we did not make mistake. We will dismantle Nigeria piece by piece. And we are not in Oreo. We will dismantle Nigeria piece by piece. Pack everything about Nigeria, send to Britain. Tell them, your market, your business center are closed. Nigeria is a business center of Britain. When we close their business center, lock and seal, you know when EFCC come to seal your apartment, you know as it be. The same way we are going to seal the Nigeria Britain business center, pack everything, send back to them, say your business is over and it's over, totally over. So that is why I'm asking you, are you smelling Nigeria? Today they say it's the independent day. Ask them, when did Lord Lugard or Britain give una independent flag? Just ordinary flag. They will not tell you. They will tell you it wasn't October. It was not October. I don't want to tell you. Go and read. It was not October. So ask them, how come do you put October first as your independent day? Fulani. I don't want to go far. But the truth is that the question you should answer, are you smelling Nigeria around your area, around your state, around your vicinity? Are you smelling Nigeria? The order of Nigeria are gone. And then if you never believe, say, Biafra have come to stay, you have mental derail. You have mental problem. You need to go and visit hospital for mental checkup. When we tell Hope that you cannot bring refugee from Fulani land into our land, he thought we were playing. The people are spoken. Only you cannot decide. Let me tell you, if you cook for us, we go eat finish. But if we cook for you, you can never finish. Over 1,000,000 years. That is what you should know. Our forefather knew this. And you see this thing you are dancing a gede dance. And at the end of the day, your head go enter ground. All of you that wake up think that you can sell Biafra land and go free. All of you, your head go enter ground, one after the other. None of you will escape what is coming. If you know somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody that has hand in the killing of innocent Biafrans, selling Biafran territory, tell the person he should begin to write his will down, because all of them, their head go enter ground. If you don't know what Biafra is a spirit. Biafra is our religion. And Biafra is our tradition. Doubt me, come and die. Biafra must be restored in this our time. If you say we are joking about Biafra, your head will follow. It doesn't really matter how many you be. It doesn't really matter how powerful you are. The zoo have confirmed it is not by us, it's not by weapon. The amount of your weapon does not determine you winning. Waiting you carry come to the land of Biafra, we are here to multiply it times 10 and give it back to you. You must carry it. And if you think we are joking, duh. If you think we are playing, duh. You always think that we are playing until we swallow you. And even though you are serious, you say you want to stop us. You cannot stop us, kwa. You go see, your head go see enter. We are like troubled water. You know, the people, they go and ask fishermen, what is troubled water? We are like erosion. You can't stop us. The more you try to block us, those things where you put to block us, we carry it along. They go. That is what Biafra is. Biafra or Biafra. You have no other option. Either in peace or by force, you must get Biafra. To you, the lovers of freedom. To you, the friends of Biafra. To you, the supporters of Biafra and freedom. I say, may Eke, where be today, favor you in all you're doing. May he bring you blessing, bring you protection and good health. May evil they far from you. And may those who look for your life, may their life be taken and add to your own to have long life. May those who need your head, who want your head, may their head be cut off from the land of Biafra. We are the children of the soil. This is the land of our ancestors. Our ancestors gave us this land as the heritage, just as Chukwu Kikabiama gave them. So whosoever that bring death into our land, in order to kill the children of the soil, na them go die in our place. As I'm telling you this, so shall it be today na Eke, so shall it be in Ore, so shall it be in Afo and Nkwo, now and forevermore. Go and mark it down. And you say, he say.